Choose building materials that resist pests to lower long-term infestation risk in new home construction. Start with pressure-treated lumber for sill plates and any framing that contacts concrete or soil because it provides a chemical barrier against termites and decay. Use borate treatments on interior framing and roof framing during rough carpentry to protect against wood-destroying insects and fungal decay, applying according to manufacturer directions and keeping treated areas dry to maintain effectiveness. For exterior cladding, prefer non-organic options such as fiber, cement, siding, or brick, which do not provide food for insects and tolerate splashback from soil better than wood. When using wood, choose naturally resistant species like cedar or redwood for trim and exposed elements, and install them with proper flashing and a clear ventilation gap to prevent moisture trapping. Specify engineered wood products for shear walls and roof sheathing where feasible because they are denser, factory glued, and often less attractive to pests than raw lumber. Ensure cuts and drill holes are sealed with compatible preservatives or sealants to retain resistance. Avoid placing cellulose-rich materials such as loose cellulose insulation, untreated wood chips, or mulch directly against foundations and under decks. Instead, use gravel or hardscape barriers and keep a minimum clearance of at least 6 inches between soil and wood siding to reduce moisture-driven decay and encouraged pest activity. Design for good drainage by grading away from the foundation, installing gutters and downspouts that discharge water well off the building, and providing continuous exterior water-resistant barriers so pests are not attracted by persistent damp conditions. During specification, include detailed installation notes for contractors about ventilation, flashing, and gap tolerances so fieldwork preserves the intended pest resistance of the chosen materials. 3 common mistakes are installing untreated sill plates or leaving joints and cuts unsealed, which creates easy entry points for termites and rot, so always use pressure-treated sill plates and promptly treat or seal any field cuts. A second common issue is using wood siding down to grade or piling mulch against walls, which keeps materials damp and attractive to pests, so maintain a clear gap and use non-organic ground covers near the foundation. A third problem is poor drainage and missing flashing, which allows chronic moisture and invites fungal decay and insect activity, so grade around the house, install continuous flashing at all roof and window transitions, and ensure downspouts move water away from the structure. BigHomeProjects.com helps homeowners compare pest-resistant building material options and connect with local contractors who can implement those choices, and we host a discussion community where builders and homeowners share practical tips and field experience. We help contractors find work by listing projects and letting them join conversations that showcase their expertise to homeowners.